It's a beautiful thing. We're going to give this one to Ashley. Wait till you're ready. She'll make copies for you though, but she was gone, so we got to give it to her. Well, I'll give it to Ashley and then she can put it in the stack, right? Okay. There you go. That is 7, 8, 9. Okay. All right. Well, when all done, you guys, I'm sure, will make your copies, make your note cards, right? Okay. How about 10? You have tangent of 22.5 degrees. Okay. So let me go to the unit circle. So if I go to the unit circle, 22.5 degrees is not on there, right? What we could say is 45 divided by 2. You okay with that? So 22.5 same thing as 45 divided by 2. You guys okay with that? So let me rewrite this as tangent of 45 divided by 2. Now, that's a half angle formula. Okay, so I'm looking at my notes for half angle. Oh, it's half angle. I get double angle. And there's my half angle. So here's my half angle formula. Okay, I've got that one, but tangent's got two parts. Doesn't really matter which one you use. You want the first one or the second one? Doesn't matter to me. You want the first one? Okay. I don't know. That's up for an answer. So let's use the first one. First one is 1 minus cosine theta over sine theta. In this case, theta is 45 because 45 divided by 2. Does that make sense? And 45 is on the unit circle. So let's go 1 minus cosine of 45 over sine of 45. Am I doing okay? Not too fast? Okay. Cosine of 45 square root of 2 over 2. So I have a 1 minus a square root of 2 over 2 divided by square root of 2 over 2. And that is an okay answer. I would take that, but there's a better answer. Much better. And if you want to simplify it into a beautiful, beautiful answer, there's another half point, okay? Any place you can simplify it and make it nice, I'll give you a half point, okay? But make sure you write down this one so I can find it, okay? Because if you make a mistake trying to make it look better, you got to at least show me the right one, okay? Okay, 11. You guys ready for 11?
Yes.
We're cruising. We are nearly done. Okay, 11's the hard one, okay? 11 is the hard one. Well, it's hard to simplify it. Actually, it's not that hard if unsimplified, okay? 11. Julia, this will help you. This is the ones that you were confused on, that you came and saw me at lunch, okay? So we've got tangent of 2 sine inverse of x. And we want to do everything in terms of x. Not tangent, not sines, but terms of x. Okay. Now to start this problem, very first, right off the bat, anytime you take the inverse, you're going to get an angle, right? You're going to get an angle. So let's just rewrite this as tan of 2 theta. You guys okay with that? All right. Okay, anytime you have the inverse, it means this is an angle. That's an angle. So let's just call it theta, an angle, okay? Now, I need the whole thing in terms of x, so I'm going to have to build a triangle. So let's build a triangle, okay? Theta's there. And what I know about sine is it's opposite over hypotenuse. Okay with the one? So I build my triangle. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And then I'm going to use Pythagorean's theorem, okay, to find a. So I go, okay, a squared plus x squared equals 1 squared. Right? I need to find that side right there. So I'll have an a squared equals a 1 minus x squared, right, because I just brought that over, right? And 1 squared is 1. And I'll have a equals the square root of 1 minus x squared. I'll put that there. I sure can, Nathan. How's that? Is that better? All right. So now, I need a formula. Tangent of 2 theta. That's in my notes. Tangent of 2 theta. Okay, here it is. So I've got this one here. It's 2 tan of x over 1 minus tan squared of x. So I'm going to use, instead of x, I'll say theta. So my formula is 2 tan of theta all over 1 minus tan squared of theta. Okay, that's my double angle formula for tangent. Okay, so now, here we go. 2. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So it's going to be 2 times x over the square root of 1 minus x squared, okay? So you guys, there you go. Oh, that's perfect right there. I'll do it again. So tangent's opposite over adjacent, right? That's where I got my x over the square root of x, square root of 1 minus x squared. All divided by 1 minus tangent. Again, tangent's opposite over adjacent, so it's going to be equal to a x over the square root of a 1 minus x squared. Now I'll step back and take a look. Now that is a horrible answer. And yes, I would take it, but it's a horrible answer. So if you want to tidy it up, make it look better, this one's pretty challenging to tidy it up. The one on the test is a lot easier to tidy up. But that's an ugly answer. But it's correct. I would not accept that in a calculus class. But we're not in calculus, are we? No. Okay, you guys ready for 11? 12? Let's do 12. Okay. We are almost done, huh? 12. All right, number 12. Okay, here comes the easy stuff, honestly. Express cos. Honestly. This is the easy stuff. This is what we did yesterday. Remember doing this stuff yesterday? No. Okay. As a sum. So, it's kind of like cosine theta sine phi, isn't it? So I look at my notes, and it's sum. It is product to sum, product to sum. Okay, it's these. In fact, it's cosine sine, isn't it? So it's that one right there. It's the cosine sine, right? So I'm going to use this formula here, okay? So I'm going to use cosine sine. I'm going to use my 1/2 bracket sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b, okay? I will just throw 3x in and 2x in and get her done. Half bracket sine of 3x plus 2x minus sine of 3x minus 2x, right? I'm just throwing in the 3x and the 2x for a's and b's. That's all I'm doing. 1/2 bracket sine of 5x. Yeah, thanks, Marie. Minus sine of x. There's my answer. Didn't you think that was pretty easy?
Really easy.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll do 13 is just easy, except for it's just going the opposite direction, okay?
Wait, is it so right if you just put the half in front of the side?
You can, here and here, yes, yes, yes. In fact, the book likes that some way. Sometimes the book likes this, will. Right? They'll do that sometimes. Same thing, right? Yeah. Good. Okay, you guys ready for 13? Last one. This one's actually pretty easy too. Slide it up.
Wait, is the bottom thing the okay?
They both are. Which one do you like? This one just takes the 1/2 through. That's what Will wanted to do.
That one's fine.
That one's fine, yeah. All right, 13. We are almost done. 13. Write cosine of 5x plus cosine of 3x as a product. Okay, so then, all right, sure looks like this cosine of a plus cosine of b to me. So I look at my formulas. It looks like cosine of a, cosine of b. So I look for my formulas, and I'm going sum to product. So it's this one, sum to product. I'm doing this one here, right? So it's cosine, cosine. So I'm doing that one. Cosine, cosine, I'm doing that one. But they like x's and y's. I don't know. It drives me crazy. So I'm going to do it in terms of thetas, okay? So my formula should be cosine of, my bad, 2 cosine of a plus b over 2 times cosine of a minus b over 2, okay? And this is a, and this is b, and we're just going to plug them in. That's all we're going to do. We're going to plug and chug. 2 cosine of 5x plus 3x over 2 cosine of 5x minus 3x over 2. Grand answer of 2 cosine of 8x over 2, which is 4x, right? Cosine of 2x over 2, which is just x. And there it is. Capiche. Wow, we are done, huh?
That one was